really quickly. In today's short video, I want to share with you what's in our Financial Edge membership and how it can help you build generational wealth for one low cost. And that does include husband and wife. So let's get into it. For those of you who do not know me, my name is H Cortez, also known as the one and only financial health mentor, everybody's favorite fatherpreneur. And my entire mission in life is to help empower you economically through financial literacy with a strong emphasis on personal brand development and entrepreneurship. And today, I just want to let you guys know that you can get affordable financial help from certified professionals for one low monthly cost. And I want to make a case today for why it's worth it. Now, I want to say this, man, and I hope you guys don't take it the wrong way. Do I have permission to speak freely and you guys not get upset with me? Comment, speak freely if you are okay with that, right? Because traditionally, we have problems investing in ourselves, right? And sometimes we don't invest in ourselves because we don't value ourselves. And I know I'm preaching to the choir here, and that's not people who are coming to this page. Most of us have a tremendous value on our own selves, but even more so on our future generations. But sometimes the psychology and the games that are played with our mindset go over our heads sometimes. And I want you to always be willing to bet on you, be willing to invest in yourself. See, we've been trained historically to invest in entertainment more than our own education and self-improvement. And we've got to change that paradigm if we're going to position ourselves to start building some generational wealth. In fact, I want you to think about it. When you go see a movie, what are you really doing? When you go see a movie, what you're doing is, and don't feel bad about this because this is not a bad thing, but what you're doing is you've agreed to pay somebody some money so that you can escape your reality temporarily, right? Same thing if you go to a ball game, you go to a concert, you're going to pay money so that you can escape your reality temporarily. And there's nothing wrong with that. Some of us work so cotton picking hard that, man, we need those escapisms, right? And I'm not bashing anybody who escapes. But what we don't do is invest in things that could cause us to transform or change our reality permanently, right? And that's what I want to talk to you guys today about. Invest in something that can cause you to change your reality permanently. That is, of course, if you're not satisfied with your current reality. And I'll be the first to tell you, while I have a loving family, a beautiful wife, children who adore and respect me, a mom and brothers and sisters, I love my existence. I'm just not satisfied with where I am financially. And when you think about building my legacy, I'm just not. So I'm pushing forward to do things that's going to change that reality for me permanently. And one of the things that I've invested in is what's called a Financial Edge membership. And that's unlimited access to financial advisors, financial planners, certified public accountants, enrolled agents, credit repair specialists, and wealth strategists to help me personally build generational wealth. And I want to offer that to you because some of you guys know me. I don't do anything that I cannot become an affiliate of and also make money with if I think it is an amazing service. So let me jump in the screen share really quickly and let me just show you by comparison what some of these things will cost on average, right? Let me just show, let's see. Let me just actually get to one of the sites so we can just go straight there. All right. Now, let me hop at the screen share. So you guys know that our financial membership will cost $80 per month. This is a steal for an individual, but let alone an individual who has a business of any sort, right? So I'm going to jump out here to screen share. Now, I just did a quick Google search of the average cost of CPA, right? So, and this is a reputable service, which is called Advisory HQ. It says an owner's CPA cost per hour can range from $200 to $250. However, in major cities and for top talent, hourly accounting fees for CPAs can go as high as $500 per hour, right? CPA owners can also make significant more than non-CPA owners, with a $20 to $100 per hour price difference between the two, right? So anywhere from $200 to $500 per hour you could pay for a good CPA. Now, with those prices, how often are you going to go and see your CPA, right? At $500 per hour, $200 an hour, $250 per hour, it's not going to be unlimited contact, right? No, you're going to be strategic, and you're going to try to keep those costs down and see them, you know, when your budget allows. That is not the best strategy to use if you're trying to build wealth. You might need more time with CPAs than your budget could allow if you're paying a traditional $200 to $500 per month, right? Now, let's look at another service that we offer. The average cost of a financial advisor, right? Now, this is another reputable website called smartasset.com. It says fixed fees and hourly fees typically apply to financial planning or consulting services, as well as special projects. Let me blow this up a little bit so I want to make sure that you guys can see this as well, right? So fixed fees can vary, and both fixed and hourly apply. Fixed fees typically range from $1,000 to $3,000. Average hourly fees can be anywhere between $100 and $400 per hour, depending on the advisor and the complexity of the project. So hourly, anywhere from $100 to $300 per hour, and then percentages of asset management could start at 1%, and fixed fees could be anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 per project, right? So $200 to $500 an hour for a CPA, $100 to $300 an hour per for a financial advisor or a financial planner, with $1,000 to $3,000 in fixed costs and potentially a percentage of assets under management. So these are the costs that you would pay for financial advice. And then last but not least, we also have credit repair. So I want you to see what the average person is spending on credit repair. So if you're doing it yourself, it could be free to less than $30. If you're using different softwares, it could be $13 a month upwards to $400. And then if you're using a service, it could be anywhere from $15 to $90 to set up, or $30 plus $30 to $100 per month for someone to do this for you. Guys, I've already told you that our service is $80 per month, and that covers a husband and a wife. I'm gonna say that again, $80 per month for CPA or tax strategy, financial planners, financial advisors, credit repair specialists, and also debt elimination is included in this $80 per month. So let me just really quickly go over and show you what our membership includes, and then we'll wrap this thing up. So let's start with our Money Max. This is our unlimited access to professional financial planners and advisors. When we talk Money Max, we're talking your tax strategy. How many of you guys are sick and tired of Uncle Sam beating you over the head in taxes? If that's you, I want you to comment taxes right now. If you're sick and tired of Uncle Sam beating you over the head in taxes, comment taxes in the chat real quick, right? You need a strategy to deal with your taxes. There are several ways for you to legally, ethically, and morally reduce your tax liability. Then we have Credit Max, right? How many of you guys know people that can improve, that use a boost in their credit score 50 to 150 points on average, right? This credit repair team of professionals have already serviced over 100,000 customers, and the average range increase is 50 to 150 points. Then we have Equity Max. Equity Max is our debt elimination strategy. Get out of debt in a third to a half the time and save thousands in interest payments, guys. $80 per month. No contracts, no huge startup costs, no cancellation fees. You will pay $80 to start. You pay $80 a month for as long as you think you're going to need the service. And that's just how we roll, right? And then last but not least, Wealth Max, right? Exclusive access to the financial secrets of the wealthy. So let me just do a quick review of some of the things that you have. And I'll put my link to the website in the chat. Matter of fact, if someone could do that for me, that'd be great. It's financialhealthmembership.com, www.financialhealthmembership.com. So Money Max, basically, this is, again, is your tax strategy. Get unlimited financial advice, get an instant pay raise, right? 150 million working Americans can get an instant pay raise on their job if they knew these strategies. So you could pay $80 for this membership and literally get $300 to $600 per month coming back on your next paycheck. So the program pays for itself. That's a tax strategy, right? Some things that you can get advice on: how to reduce and pay less taxes, knowing which type of life insurance is best for you and your family, the best ways to structure your business to reduce personal risk and maximize your tax savings, how to properly budget your money, how to convert personal expenses to business expenses, tax planning and protecting your estate, elderly expenses, and needs analysis. It is crazy, guys. Again, we pay for things to escape our reality, and that's okay. I'm going to a movie this weekend and next weekend too. That's just what me and my wife like to do. And I know I'm escaping my reality for a couple of hours, but I want these financial services to help me to escape my current reality and make it better on a permanent basis. Then you have Credit Max, right? Improve your credit, 50 to 150 points. Credit scores affect every area of your life. Let me blow this up a little bit too, so you guys can see this as well. All right, some of the things that you can expect to have removed. Now, we can't guarantee that all of this stuff gets removed, but late payments, collections, state and federal tax liens, automobile repossessions, judgments, foreclosures, bankruptcies, items, charge-offs, identity theft entries, and the list goes on. Credit Max has already helped over 100,000 customers restore and build their credit and has removed over 1 million entries from people's credit. Guys, this is included for $80 per month, and this covers a husband and a wife. You're not getting these services for two people anywhere else. I promise you, you're not. And then we look at and then it just talks about what's included. You guys will see this when you go to the website. Equity Max. Get out of debt in a third to half the time and save thousands in interest, but also save years, sometimes decades, in the amount of time that you would have to be under the burden of debt. And guess what, guys? They help you do this with your same budget. Meaning, if you're paying $3,000 a month on your life now, we're going to help you restructure how you pay, when you pay, but we're going to still use the same $3,000 budget and still get you out of debt in record time, right? Then last but not least, so some benefits of Equity Max: comprehensive personal debt repayment plan, estimate your debts, eliminate your debts in a third to half the time, calculate the exact month and date of your freedom, repayment plan, save tens of thousands, save years and even decades on your plan. Then we have, last but not least, Wealth Max, right? How would you like to become your own bank? Self-banking, private reserve banking account, right? Until now, only 6% of the population had access to private reserve accounts, and over 95% of this elite group has an annual income of over $250,000 per year. See, until now, you had to have big money to even play in this game. Nah, we're bringing it to the everyday people. What about land banking? This is another strategy that wealthy people use for long-term investments. They buy tracts of land and paths of development, and they might have to sit on the land for 5, 10, 15 years, but all of a sudden a city starts blowing up, and now those people have to come and buy that land. And of course, they got it at a 20 to 40% below market rate. And by the time cities start exploding, those investments just, they just do really, really well, right? So benefits of Wealth Max: unlimited consultation with licensed wealth experts that work for you. These people work for you. Access to the same wealth strategies used by the wealthy, professional means analysis and past performance comparisons. They want to see what you got. They want to look at your past performance and see if they can outperform it. Personalized wealth plan structured to meet your current and future financial goals, ongoing financial education and updates, peace of mind knowing that you are providing the best financial future for your family. Guys, $80 per month. Plenty of testimonies. You guys can go to the website and review that stuff. So let me ask you this. Are you willing to invest $80 a month to get on the right side of building wealth in 2020? If so, not only do I want you to actually go ahead and get your membership started today, I'm going to ethically bribe you to do so. Anybody who gets their membership set up before Sunday, which is January 5th, that's an important day for me. That's my anniversary. What is this? 20 years. My wife and I will be celebrating 20 years. If you get your Financial Edge membership locked in by Sunday, I'm going to throw in a free vacation voucher for anybody who locks in their membership today. What the vacation voucher does, it covers your stay at luxury resorts in a lot of different places all over the world. Yeah, I said it. You got to get yourself there, but the stay is on your boy, right? 3 nights, 4 days, you could stay Branson, Missouri, Las Vegas, Orlando, Daytona Beach. I'll send you the list, man, but that's just something to throw in, just my way of saying I appreciate you guys for rocking with me. But your real motivation should be changing your financial future forever with certified and qualified experts to get it done. Appreciate that, Tiasha. So all you got to do is comment "I'm ready" or inbox me if you are don't want to say publicly you want this membership. Inbox me. I'll send you the link, or you can just go to financialhealthmembership.com and go ahead and get registered today. I promise you will not be disappointed. And last and not least, oh, well, congratulations and happy anniversary to you as well. Last but not least, these guys are so serious about what it is that they do. They offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Yeah, they're so serious that if you go in and you complete their wealth plan and they can't grow or save you money in the first 30 days, yeah, you get your money back, period. That just point blank period, you get your money back. No questions asked, but you got to follow the plan. You got to do what they tell you to do. You got to execute the game plan. You can't sign up, sit on it for 30 days and then be like, oh, I want my money back. No, do the action steps that they're going to lay out for you. And if they can't grow your money or save you money in the first 30 days, you get your money back. Finally, if you got that entrepreneurial bug in you at all, and you want to make a dollar and make a difference at the same time, we have some affiliate openings right now. It's going to cost you a little bit more to become an affiliate, but you get this membership for yourself as an affiliate, and you get to make $40 per referral over and over and over every time you promote this membership to the people that you know and love and who are serious about building their wealth. So hopefully now you got a better understanding. I got a little flack and pushback. People were like, man, $80, that's kind of high. And usually that comes from people who don't understand, or people who have never hired a professional in this regard. And they didn't know that it'll cost you $250 per hour for a CPA. They had no clue that you would pay hourly, you would pay by the project, and you would pay a percentage for management if you had a good wealth strategy, the good wealth coach in your corner. So I just want you guys to know exactly what's included in our membership. Again, go to financialhealthmembership.com. Get all the details for yourself. If you got any questions on the membership or any questions on becoming an affiliate, y'all can inbox me privately. I love to chat with you, or you can give me a call, 314-874-6887. Again, 314-874-6887. I would love to connect with you on this. It's time for us to change the game in our finances. That's the only way we're going to change the game in our community. So until I talk to y'all next time, I want you to get your money up, because you absolutely can do it. But more importantly, you deserve to do it, each and every single one of you. Now hustle up.